Hello there YouTube land, and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. Another job. This is actually part of a job that I've been doing, but it's a separate video. We're going to do a lovely, just a single piece of fencing, as more like a privacy screen really, right by a river. Well, this is nice, isn't it? A bit of housekeeping before we get started. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the like button if you watch the video. It's really appreciated. So you don't very often get a location like this, do you, to work with? I'm on this decking here and we're just looking down the river, and yeah, rather nice. Listening to woodpeckers all day, somewhere up there. There we go. We are going to build just a single privacy screen in this corner, so that's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to be fixing it to the decking. So we've got these 100 by 100 mil 4 inches fence posts, and they bolt so you can actually slide them in easier. There are other ones which I do use. They are a tight fit and you basically just whack it in, but banging down on this is not advisable. So we're just going to screw in and then bolt up and pull it up tight. .13mm spanner. Do these up. I had to measure a few. 13mm. So with these post shoes, you need some washers. So there we go. I got these from Screwfix, but you can get them wherever you do. M8s, 50s, you can see there. And I'm using 5x70 just to get a good fixing. Although this is only decking, so but it's nice and thick, so that pulls it in. So we cut the posts, 6 foot. Now we're going to put the cant rails across. That's the next phase. Next little bit. The cant rails have gone on. Oh, there we go. Got 3. Now we can fix the feather edge. In case anyone is wondering what cant rails are, they're like this. That's what they are. That enables the water to run off at the back. It doesn't sit, so it just runs. So it's a nice little angle there. There we go. So just used my combination square just to set so that all the spacing is even. Nice and simple really, isn't it? If you're using a tape, just more problematic. So you could have put a little jig, couldn't you? But I just find this really easy, just to create the spacing between all the feather edge. Just a little privacy fence. That's actually just to create a little bit of like a screen really. It's not really, it is fencing, it's a fence, and I've done it, but it's actually creates just a privacy screen. So that's what I've been doing there. But if you're doing fencing, you effectively just continue that. Just what I've done, but you just continue that. Alternatively, you can buy fence panels. You can do all sorts of things. There's lots of ways to do fencing. But that was using fence shoes and just creating a little privacy. But the principle's the same. So nice little privacy screen. There we have it. So thanks for watching. Loads more on the channel. Click the notification bell if you want to, and you'll be notified when videos are coming out. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care everybody. Bye.